Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Cars Info 2024. Today, we're going to be talking about the 2024 Mercedes E-Class. The 2024 Mercedes E-Class is a midsize luxury sedan that is known for its stylish design, comfortable interior, and advanced technology. The new E-Class has been completely redesigned for 2024, and it features a number of updates and improvements over the previous model. Exterior: the new E-Class has a more modern and aerodynamic design than the previous model. The headlights and taillights have been redesigned, and the grille is now larger and more imposing. The car also has a new set of alloy wheels and a revised rear bumper. Interior: the interior of the new E-Class is even more luxurious and comfortable than the previous model. The cabin is trimmed in high-quality materials, and the seats are very supportive. The car also features a number of new technology features, including a new digital instrument cluster and a new infotainment system. Technology: the new E-Class comes standard with a number of advanced technology features, including a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment system, and a head-up display. The car also features a number of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Performance: the new E-Class is available with a variety of engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a turbocharged 6-cylinder, and a plug-in hybrid. The car is also available with all-wheel drive. Pricing: the 2024 Mercedes E-Class is expected to start at around $55,000. The price will vary depending on the trim level and engine option. Overall, the 2024 Mercedes E-Class is a significant improvement over the previous model. It has a more modern design, a more luxurious interior, and more advanced technology. The car is also expected to be very fuel efficient. If you are looking for a mid-size luxury sedan, the 2024 Mercedes E-Class is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel would be great motivation for me.